Hello students, in our today's video we are going to discuss about one more tense from the past tense, and here you can see the title that we are going to discuss about past continuous tense. Before we start, let me tell you that how many tenses we have completed till now. Till now we have completed 4 tenses of present tense and 1 tense of past tense. So all total we have completed 5 tenses, and today we are going to discuss about one more tense from the past tense, and the title of the tense here you can see that is past continuous tense. So let us start past continuous tense. First of all, as per our structure, we are going to discuss about the uses of this tense. What are the uses of this tense? Let us see. The first use, whenever you want to describe the ongoing action of the past of particular time, at that time you can use this tense. Ongoing action, why? Because this is continuous tense, but you should keep in mind that this is the past tense. So again I am repeating, whenever you want to describe the ongoing action of the past, ongoing action of the past at the, not only that, but of particular time. Here time is most important. Of particular time, at the time you can use this tense to describe the ongoing action of the past of particular time. We can use this tense. Okay, another use is also there. Another use is also there. No doubt here we are going to describe the ongoing action of the past, but at that particular time the another action is also taking place in the past. Another action also taking place in the past. We will see the examples so that you can get some idea what kind of thing that I am going to describe it. Okay, now let us come to the structure of this tense. Structure, in the very beginning we are going to put subject plus, as it is a past tense, we have to put was or were regarding to the subject. Then after we have to put verb with ing form. Why? Because it is continuous tense. Then after other words will take place. So this is the structure: subject, was, were, verb with ing and other words. Now, which are the suggestive words from which we can identify this is of past continuous tense? So suggestive words. Suggestive words definitely will show the time, particular time. Let us see what kind of those words are there. Likewise here, yesterday in the evening. Here evening shows the time, yesterday shows the past, so particular time of the past. In the same way, yesterday in the morning, yesterday in the noon, you can add so many things here. Then after, yesterday morning, yesterday night. So many words you can add here, which shows the time of particular past. Now let us come to some examples. For example, number 1. I was, here I am writing, I was going to cinema yesterday in the noon. Okay, let us try to understand this thing. I is your subject, then after was were plus ing, was going. Okay, verb with ing also you can find here. Then after cinema, you can consider it as other words, and yesterday in the noon, which shows the time of particular action. Okay, so this is how you can write any sentence for past continuous tense. Another example, you were driving a car, you were driving a car yesterday in evening. You were driving a car yesterday in the evening. So here also you can see subject is your you, then after was were plus ing, were driving a car yesterday evening. Evening shows the time, yesterday evening shows the time. Another example, Alan was playing a game yesterday in the evening. Here also you can see your subject is Alan, it means he, was plus verb with ing, was playing a game yesterday in evening. Yesterday in evening shows the time. Another example, the tiger was running very fast. So here your subject is the tiger, was with ing form, was plus verb with ing, was running very fast. Now here in this sentence you can see that there is no use of the suggestive words. That is okay, it is not necessary to use those words every time. Let us take one more example, we were enjoying our summer vacation last year. So this is a kind of different sentence. We is your subject, were plus verb with ing, were enjoying our summer vacation. Here you are talking about the last year. It means here the ongoing action of past, the last summer that you are talk about. Another example, let us take. Another example, they were talking when, or the students were talking, the students were talking when the teacher came. So here you can see that two actions are there, the talking of the students and coming of the teacher in the class. So here we are talking about two actions and it's a kind of different sentence, but this is how also you can make sentence for past continuous tense. Now let us move ahead with interrogative sentence. How to make interrogative sentence as far as the past continuous tense is concerned. Here, in order to make an interrogative sentence, you have to use was or were. Then after, the structure will be the same. If I talk about simple past tense, at that time you have used did, but here we are not going to use did. Instead of did, here we have to use was or were. Let us make some examples so that you can get some idea. Was, in the very beginning you have to write was or were regarding the subject. Now here our subject is a girl named Nancy. Okay, was Nancy making tea? Then after making tea when her father came back. Okay, let us try to understand this. In the very beginning you have to put was or were, then after subject, after verb with ing form, and then other words will take place, and at last don't forget the question mark. Let us try to make another one. Where students writing essay when the teacher entered the classroom. Question mark. Now here I have used where. Why? Because our subject is in a plural form. That's why we have to use here where. Where students writing essay when the teacher entered the classroom. So this is how, by using was or where, you can make interrogative sentences. Now the last point of our discussion, how to make negative sentences. This is also very simple, by using was not or were not. Also you can use wasn't or weren't. You can make negative sentences. Let us take one example. We weren't or we were not playing games yesterday in the night. Another one. Richa wasn't dancing in the party. So this is how you can make negative sentences for this tense. So here we complete our video. In our next video we will meet with a new point. Thank you.